they're in a totally different category. You know, as I said, they for the most part focus just on one particular skill, like auditory memory. All right. I've tried some of them and found them boring. All right. I felt like, you know, being in the field, I should try them out when people say, what do you think of this? What do you think of that? I also think some claims are being made by some programs that are not justified. I happen to know how Fast Forward was developed. I happen to know that it works extremely well with kids who have auditory processing delays. I'm not so sure that it works across the board as some claim that it does and will help all kids. Right. I think Brainware can help all kids because of its scope. Right.
The comprehensive nature.
Yeah, and it's interesting that many news magazines recently have done we're checked out a lot of these different. You know, there's a lot of online programs, Luminosity and Brain Fitness, et cetera, and grading them, so to speak. You know, and by many of them are so repetitious, they're boring. They're not challenging anymore. Or some of them are just way too expensive. And that's the other thing. We have to make sure that when you've got a program that's really good, that it is available, you know, to the people who need it.